Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Kenny. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll really appreciate that. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. In today's video, I'll be trying rice water rinse on my hair, and I'll be telling you my opinion on it, what I feel, because this is my first time of doing it, so I can't easily come and tell you that, oh, this is what it does for my hair. But a lot of things that it claims to do: it promotes hair growth, it makes your hair more manageable, it makes your hair shiny, it gives you less shedding, it makes you have less shedding, less breakage, it makes your hair shiny, fuller, longer, and all those beautiful things we love to hair when it comes to special treatment in natural hair. Those are the things it claims to do. I'm going to list them in the description box below in case I miss anything out. So I'm going to be trying it for the first time today, and I'm going to be showing you how I do it on my hair, and I'm going to be telling you what my hair feels like once I'm done with the treatment, and also I'm giving you like an update on if it really works for me, or if it doesn't work for me, if it increases my hair length, if it really does all that it claims to do. So I'm going to be giving you that at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so these are the three things I'm going to be using. I'll be using an empty bowl to soak the rice in. I'll be using this much of the rice, and also I have in a lukewarm water. I don't want to use cold water, and I don't want to use hot water. Also, by putting the rice in the bowl, I used like 2 handfuls of rice. I can freeze it and use it for future purpose, so I want to get as much as I can get at a go. So I'll be using that much of the rice, and I'll pour in this water there to soak it in. And I'm going to cover it with cling film and keep it in a safe place. So I've covered it with cling film, and I'm going to keep it in a safe place overnight for the rice water to come out, or for the rice water to form, something like that. Okay guys, so this is my rice when I left it overnight in the water. I've got some rice water here, and since I left it overnight, it's supposed to have fermented, which smelling it, I think, so I'm going to sieve it now to extract the rice water to spray on my hair. I'm going to mix it. Okay, so this is the rice water I got. I'm going to put it in the spray bottle so it's easy for me to spray it on my hair, or to spray it on my hair. I think I got so much. I don't think I can finish all this today, so I'm going to keep some to keep in the freezer for future use, and also to use as a toner for my face. So I don't think I'll be needing more than these. So this is what I'll be working with today. So this is my freshly shampooed hair. I'm going to put my hair in sections now, so it's easy for me to work with it. So this is the fermented rice water I got from soaking my rice in water overnight. So this is what I got. I'm going to start putting it on this section of hair. I'm supposed to do this in the bathroom, but like I always say, the lighting in my bathroom is not the best, so I have to come to where there is better lighting so that I can see what I'm doing. I already covered my body with this towel so it doesn't mess. Like umidum, if you are from Nigeria or you are Yoruba, you know what I mean by umidum. The water I get from fermented corn. When you soak, when you leave blended corn, blended corn, when you leave it, that water you get, that fermented solution, it smells like it. sit in my hair for about 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna do my protein treatment and rinse everything out. Okay guys, I've had the rice water in my hair now for 30 minutes. I've had the rice water in my hair now for 30 minutes. I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like now. Honestly, I'm wowed at how much my hair looks, and my hair feels softer. It feels really soft, and let me show you the back. It feels really soft and nice and lightweight and nice. That's just what I can say. My hair feels really soft and lightweight, and it looks kind of shiny too. You can see it. It's looking, I don't know how to say it, it's looking better than how dry and dull it looked when I first shampooed it. It looks as if I've deep conditioned it, but I've not deep conditioned it. That is what I can say. This is how my hair will look after I deep condition it, but I've not deep conditioned it. I just did the rice water rinse. Now I'm going to move in to do my mini protein treatment. I want to do tangle my hair, and I'm going to come back to show you what my hair looks like. But right now I'm loving how my hair looks. It feels so soft, so lightweight, and it's looking really nice and shiny and moisturized, even though I've not even put anything in there apart from that rice water that I sprayed all over my hair, you know. So I'm going to do my mini protein treatment now, and I'll come back to give you my final thoughts on this treatment. Okay guys, I've rinsed out my protein treatment. I'm going to move into detangle my hair now, and I'm going to show you how much shedding I have, because one of the benefits of rice water is that it's supposed to reduce hair sheddings and breakage, and this is the test I do for most of my special treatment, especially when it comes to like tea rinse and rice rinse and things like these. So I'm gonna detangle I'm gonna detangle my hair now, and I'm gonna show you how much shedding I have. So this is how much shedding I have after detangling all of the hair on my head. So I'm going to give you an update on my next wash day, how much hair loss I have for my next wash day, and I'm most likely going to compare it to my tea rinse, which I'm used to. But right as of now, this is how much shedding I have for this wash day, which in my own opinion, it's so little, it's not much. Yeah, so that is that. Okay guys, I just finished detangling my hair in the shower now. So this is what my hair looks like once I detangled it in the shower. I'm going to show you what it looks like now. I hope I don't have egg particles in my hair. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, even before I deep conditioned my hair already felt as if I deep conditioned it. It felt so soft, so lightweight, so shiny, so moisturized. Even before I deep conditioned it, it was looking as if, and it was feeling as if I had already deep conditioned it. And one thing I can say about it is that because I did that treatment before my protein treatment, I could see a difference in how easy I could detangle my hair in the shower. It was easier for me to detangle my hair in the shower. And as you saw, like I showed you, that was how much shedding I had after detangling my hair. It was so little, not much, like I always love to have on my wash days. When I have too much breakage or too much sheddings on my wash day, it sets me off. When I have little breakage or sheddings like that, I'm always at peace, because I know that I'm not losing much hair when I detangle my hair. I'm really loving it. I'm going to be trying it often. I'm going to be trying it. I'm going to be doing more of it, and I'm going to give you like maybe 2 months update if I notice a big or huge difference in my hair growth. I'm going to let you know, and if I notice otherwise, I'm going to let you know. But right now, let me show you what my hair length is, so we can establish that. That is my current hair length. I'm going to check in maybe after 2 months to give you updates if I notice a big difference in my hair length, if I notice otherwise. But my first impression of this treatment is a very good one. It left my hair more manageable, it left my hair soft, it left it shiny. Even if it doesn't like increase my hair length or have a significant, if it doesn't give me like a significant increment in my hair length, I'm still going to be doing it, because I really love how my hair felt when I did that treatment, even before I did condition my hair. I'm still going to be doing it, even if it doesn't give me like a significant increment in my hair length. But anyways, I'm still going to check in maybe after 2 months to give you my updates on it, and I'm going to be comparing it to my TVs when I come back to give you my updates on it. So let me know in the comment section below, have you done rice water rinse before? Does it work for you? Do you notice a significant difference in your hair? Does it work for you as it worked for me? Does it do the same thing it did for my hair, or it does for my hair? Does it do it for your hair too? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll really appreciate that. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave me nice comments in the comment section below. Your thumbs up, your comments, and your subscription goes a long way in helping my videos and channel, please. So don't forget to give me that. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in my next video.